Hello everyone, my name is Sumesh Tiwari and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a very important and very coding common question, a star pattern question using JavaScript. This question is very useful for beginners and it also asked in interview. So let's start. So first we write let n equal to let's suppose 6. Here n mean number of rows. So this program will print 6 rows. If we change n to 4, it will print 4 rows. So second step, we create a for loop for let I equal to initial value from 1 and I is smaller than and equal to n and I increase I increase here we use the increment operator. This is a outer loop. This is a outer loop. This outer loop controls the row. It starts from 1 and run until n. So if n is 6, this loop will run 6 times or 6 times. That means row will be printed. So let here we create another variable named row and assign a empty string, and for let we create another loop I j is smaller to equal to with I and j increase. Here I put a column and row is equal to row plus it is a concate sign and star plus empty string, and here we console dot log row. So I will explain you. For every row we create an empty string. This is the empty string because we will add a star inside this string. The important point, this line is inside the outer loop. That means it restart for every new row, and this is the inner loop. This is the inner loop. This inner loop control how many stars we print in each row. Very important concept. A row print 1 star, row 2 print 2 star, row 3 print 3 star, row 4 print 4 star, and row 5 print 5 star, and row 6 print 6 star. So the number of star is equal to the row number because the inner loop run until j is less than or equal to I. Until j is less than or equal to I, and adding star. Here we add 1 star and 1 space to the row. So every time the inner loop run 1 star added. If inner loop run 3 times, the star will be added 3 times. The print. And here I console. After the inner loop finish, we print the complete row. Then the outer loop move to the next row. Final output. This is the final output. Remember this thing, outer loop control row, outer loop, this is the outer loop and this is the inner loop. This is the inner loop and this is the outer loop. Outer loop control row and inner loop control column or star. If you understand this logic, you can solve many pattern question easily. So if you found this explanation helpful, like this video, and if you want more pattern question, comment below. See in the next video. Thank you for watching my video.